Living organisms classified according to the way of fitting into producers, consumers, decomposers. Okay? The type of the living organisms according to their feeding. The type of the living organisms according to their feeding. Producers, consumer, decomposers. Producers, they are the living organisms that can make their own food. That can make their own food. So it have chloroplast. They called autotrophic. Producers like green plants, green algae, and some types of bacteria. While consumer and decomposer, they are the living organisms can't make their own food due to the absence of the chloroplast. Consumer depend on producer direct or indirect to get food. So consumer maybe eat producer, maybe eat another consumer. Consumers that feed on producer, herbivorous, plant eater like human, sheep, cow, donkey, chicken. Feed on consumer, carnivorous, animal eater like human, lion, tiger, hawk. Okay? While decomposer depend on dead bodies. So consumer depend on another consumer or producer, while decomposer depend on dead bodies, rotten food, organic wastes, plant remains, by decomposing them to get their food, decomposing all of them to get their food. Example about decomposer, some types of bacteria, some types of fungi, as bread mold fungus and yeast fungus. The importance of decomposer, they help to get rid of organisms such as dead bodies and the plant remains, increase the soil fertility, and used in a lot of industries. Okay, and you should to know there are the examples about decomposer: yeast fungus, bread mold fungus, and bacteria. Bacteria used in making yogurt and cheese, while bread mold fungus is the rotten layer that formed on the bread and the orange in the living organisms called fungi, which are known as decomposers. Okay, the rotten that formed on the bread, it's called the bread mold fungus. We finished this lesson. Thank you.